Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to introduce you to how to add HTML code in WordPress, especially in 2025. We're in 2025 now, so we need an update. So here we go. The first thing you can do is to use the code block, also called Gutenberg editor. Now, how do you use this? The first thing you need to do in your WordPress post or page editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. Then the next step, the second step you do, is to choose the code block from the list of available blocks. Next, you paste your HTML code directly into the code block. And then click the preview button to see how your code will appear on the page. And if you're satisfied, then you publish. If you're not, review again, re-edit it, and then preview once again. So once you're satisfied, publish or update your post or page. That is the easiest method. Now, if you do not want to use the code block or Gutenberg editor, you can decide to use what we call the classic editor. That is, if it is enabled. Now, how do you do this? You can switch to text mode. Now, in the classic editor, click the text tab. Now, once you click the text tab, paste your HTML code directly into the text editor, and then click the visual tab to see how your code renders. So this will help you to switch back to visual mode, and then you can publish or update your post or page. It's as simple as that. That is how to use how to add HTML code in WordPress. Now, let me give you some more details. Alright, perhaps let me say important notes. Yes. Now, ensure that your HTML code is valid and compatible with WordPress and your theme. So HTML compatibility is essential. Next, avoid using untrusted HTML code as it could potentially introduce security vulnerabilities. So security should be utmost importance. Next, the appearance of your HTML code may vary depending on your WordPress theme. So make sure your theme is compatible with the code. Next, always test your changes thoroughly on a staging site or a local development environment before publishing them on your live website. Testing, always check it. So by using this method, these two major methods, you can easily add custom HTML code to your WordPress website, giving you greater flexibility and control over its appearance and functionality. I hope this helps you. Hope you find this video helpful on how to add HTML code in WordPress, especially in 2025. It's an update. See you in the next video. Bye for now.